Here you go, guys. It's what the what it looks like now. So yeah, it looks pretty good up there. Got a cinder block and a piece of wood behind each wheel. In case it decides to pop out of gear, I'll catch it. Hey, you didn't turn the air conditioner on, did you? Anyways, sorry about that, guys. But got them parked up here. Got one cinder block behind that and a piece of wood there, and a brick and a cinder block over here. So, basically what I'm trying to do is trying to move all the stuff from on the side of this barn here, put it back down there where it was, and then have this as a new parking spot for tractors up here. Exit. I got a little bit more to do right here, clean this spot out, and then I can park two more here. Dang bugs. And then I can park two here, there's two there. I can park at least one here, and there. I can park at least 7 up in here. So, if I needed to. So, if I really needed to, I could park all of them up here, all 6 of them. But don't need to, so. But, you know what?
Nothing.
Why do I gotta keep on coming over here and hollering at you? Yeah, nothing. But I could hear all over here you throwing it at my tent. So you were throwing it at my tent?
No.
Yeah. No, my butt. Anyway. So, get down here. Not much really going on over here except for just doing that little bit up there. Like I said, when I get some more dirt, I'll fill it up right there. I gotta go over here and weed again because if I get the sprinkler going, it sprinkles and gets everything wet. So, but watermelon's doing good, but the cucumbers are getting huger, a lot bigger. So I'll have cucumbers before I have watermelon. What are you doing? Huh? You asked. No, you didn't. And then you know nobody's supposed to touch that hose unless it's me or Grandma. But anyway, guys, I got a little bit of cleanup to do, but I'll do that later. It's spring going on and off here, so maybe I'll leave it for tomorrow. I'll decide, but I gotta do a little fix up here. When I was up there, I didn't know that I bent my exhaust on it. So I bent her pretty good. I bent her all the way down to where she was almost blocked out. So I tried to straighten her out, but that's what I got. So I gotta cut her shorter, and then I'll probably run her out the side or whatever. But I'll show you guys what I'm doing.